Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take trades with market structure. Let's start now. This is Euro GB pair, what is market? The trend is in downtrend here and the minor trend is in uptrend. Okay, so continuously we are seeing a bullish candlestick. So this is the order block zone. So already the market got support at this area. So it got support and reversed. So I will check it in lower time frame. Okay. So I placed a higher option trade. So I placed here a higher option trade because if you observe the market is making higher highs and higher lows. Okay. So it made higher highs and higher lows. So after making lower low, we are seeing a engulfing pattern. So still the market didn't make new low here and we got engulfing candle. It means the buyers are still interested in the market. So, so if you check this overall trend, we are seeing here a higher high and higher lows only, no lower low. So now the market enter into the order block zone. So here, so already we got a engulfing candle here. This is a engulfing candle. So we miss this trade, we will wait, we will check it. So if market makes new low means it should make new low like this, then we will get opportunities to go with the sellers. Okay. So we miss this opportunity. So I will try to draw a level here. So this is a level where the market is getting support continuously. Okay. So I placed a higher option trade. So I placed a higher option trade because the market is in uptrend. Still the market made a new high. It means the buyers may make another candlestick here easily. That's why I placed my trade here. So still there is no new low in the market. Instead, I am seeing a strong buyer's entry from the level. Okay. So it again entered into the level. Still the market is trying to make new high. So it made a new high already. Okay. It means still we have opportunity to place a higher option trade here. So I'm seeing a engulfing pattern here. Okay. So I placed here lower option trade. So it is very risky trade because the market is making higher highs. But because of this confirmation from the order block zone, I placed here lower option trade. Even though there is a higher high. Okay. Okay. We have 5 seconds. Okay, this is a winning trade because of my margin of safety trade. So when you see a engulfing pattern, better to place your trade with margin of safety. Okay. So now the market may make a new low. So if market makes any new low, then we'll get opportunity here. So remember, still the market made high. Okay. So I placed here a higher option trade because still the market made high and it is a level. So it is a breakout, but I saw a engulfing pattern. So it made a high means the market may make another green candle easily. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, okay. So it is a wrong trade. So sometimes we may make mistakes like this. You don't need to worry. So it made a high. That's why I wanted to place a higher option trade from this level. So now it made a low. So it made a low. It is a level. From this point, we need a confirmation candlestick. Okay. It reached the level. We need a confirmation candlestick here. Okay. Okay. So I placed here lower option trade because the market made a low. It is a level. You can see the left side shoulder and the neckline point. And I saw this red candlestick here. That's why I placed my trade, but it placed for 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens here. So it made another low. So it is a level. So we have another opportunity here to place a lower option trade. So if we get any confirmation here, we can place a lower option trade here. Okay. Okay, we have 20 seconds. So you can see here it failed to make low. It is not making low. Okay, so this is winning trade. So it broke this level means we don't have any opportunity here. So here as well, it is trying to break this level. Okay. A strong buyer's entry. I will try to avoid it because we are seeing a breakout. So a breakout of this level means we'll try to avoid it here. Okay. So it broke this level too. That's why I didn't place my trade. So we are seeing lower rejections. Okay, I will wait for this candle. So I am seeing a strong upper rejection from the order block zone. But here the market made a new high. So we can't decide until we get proper opportunity. Okay. Yeah, I will wait. So I'm not sure if it goes up or not. because it reversed from the order block zone and made a new low. Again, it started to go down. So we don't know whether it will go down or not. Okay. Okay. So there is no new low and there is no new high. I will try to change the pair. Okay. So this market is not good now. I will try to avoid it. Okay. So it reversed from this level. I think I may get opportunity here. Okay. So the market is making highs here from this point. So the next level is here. So the trend will continue till this point. Okay. So this market is making highs like this. So the market may go up like this. So I will try to draw a level. So this shoulder point, I will try to enter from this point. Okay. So I will try to check another pair. Okay. So this level, the market got support and started to go up. So I will check it in lower time frame. Okay. So this market is not good to take trade because there is no higher highs and higher loss here to trade. So I will change another pair. Okay, there is no opportunity here. Okay, it is coming to this point. So it is a level. The market is getting support here, but there is no new high. You see the previous high, still the market failed to make new high. So there is no proper confirmation and it is going down continuously. So no proper opportunity here. So no opportunity here to place a higher option trade. Okay. So still there is no new high in the market. Okay, I will change another pair. So here it is a previous low, but still it failed to make new low. Okay, so now it made a new high. So now it made a new high. Okay, so this is the level. This is the actual level. So it didn't reach the level. So again it made a new high. So it broke the level. So we don't have any opportunity here. So again it made a new high. So I will try to draw the level for entry point. So this level. Okay. Okay. So it is an engulfing pattern. I placed here higher option trade. So here I placed here a higher option trade because still the market is making highs only. And from this trend line point, I saw a engulfing pattern. It means it will easily make green candlestick here. That's why I placed here a lower option, higher option trade. Okay. So it is a rejection point too. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So it is a winning trade, but still just above. It closed just above my entry point. That's why whenever if you see engulfing pattern, you need a proper entry point. Okay. So instead of higher high, it made a lower low. So it means the market will go down easily. Okay. So the market will continue till this point if you see any new high in the market. Okay. So there is a rejection to already. Okay. Okay. So I placed a lower option trade. So I placed a lower option trade because I saw a M pattern and it made a low already. Okay, let's see here. So I expected here seller's entry, but it is trying to go up. So it made low and it made high. So a confusing point. Let's see what happens here. Okay. So actually it made low means I should enter here, not here. This is my mistake, another mistake. Okay. Total 7 trades I placed. So the market made high and it is making highs. So it made another high. So the market made a high, it reversed from the extreme point. Okay, so I may get one opportunity here easily. Okay, okay. So I placed a higher option trade because I saw a hammer candlestick from the level. This is a level and it made a high. I saw a hammer candlestick means it will give me a winning trade easily. Okay, okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, 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 we have 10 seconds. Okay, so this is a winning trade. So total I placed 8 trades, 2 losses. So this loss is not my mistake, but the previous loss is my mistake. Sometimes we may confuse while trading or while predicting the market. So we no need to worry. So still the market made high here. So it means we may get one opportunity here at this point. So I will try to place one more trade here. So if you observe, this is the extreme point and a order block zone. From this point, we are seeing a higher highs and higher lows. And here the market made a order block candle here, this candlestick. So here we have opportunity to place higher option trade because still the market is making higher highs. Okay. So this point we have opportunity. So still it made a high, new high. So if possible, I will try to place one trade. So it is a shoulder point. So from this shoulder point, I saw an engulfing pattern. Okay. So and a hammer can stick to from the same point. It means the market will get support here easily. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. We are seeing it is rejecting. Okay. Okay. So it is a winning trade. So till now I placed total 9 trades, 2 losses, and remaining these 7 trades are winning trades. So it is a shoulder point and the market made a high. That's why I placed my trade here with this confirmation candlestick, a engulfing candle, and this candle, a type of hammer candlestick. That's why I placed me here a higher option trade. So from any level, if market reverses like this, So many level, if market reverses like this, always wait for the market to make higher high. Then you will get proper opportunities to place your trade with confirmations. And this is my first trade because the market is going up and there is no new low in the market. Still, the market gave me a confirmation candlestick, a engulfing candlestick. That's why I placed here a higher option trade, and the next level is here. So this is the order block candle. I will show you. So this is the order block candle. You can see the market is getting support continuously again and again from the same level. So still there is a gap. That's why I placed here a higher option trade. Okay. So this is my another trade. So I placed my trade here with this hammer candlestick because it made a high. And this is my third trade because here I saw a buyer's entry from the trend line point because still the market made a high. There is no new low in the market. That's why I placed here a higher option trade. Here we are seeing new low first time. Here I missed this trade. So I placed here a lower option trade because the market enter into the order block zone. I saw a engulfing pattern and a strong upper rejection candlestick too. That's why I placed a lower option trade here. Okay. And here I placed a higher option trade. So this is my mistake, maybe because I expected here a reversal from this point after engulfing, but the market reversed from the order block zone. So maybe that's why it failed, but still the market is making highs. That's why I thought it will go up, but it's a loss in trade. So this is my sixth trade because the market made a low and it came back to this level. It came back to this level and I saw a shooting star type candlestick. That's why I placed a lower option trade. And this is my seventh trade because the market still made high. It is a shoulder point level, and at the level I saw a engulfing pattern. So it is a winning trade because it just closed above my entry point. It is my luck. Yeah, so this trade, last trade. So this is the last trade because I saw a engulfing pattern from this shoulder point. That's why I placed a higher option trade. And at last second, it gave me a winning trade. So if you observe, so this is the engulfing candle. Previously, I entered here with marginal safety. So if you enter here, it might be a losing trade. That's why always we should enter with marginal safety. And I saw a hammer candlestick. With this hammer candlestick, I placed here a higher option trade. Okay. So always wait for the market to make new high. Then again, if market come back to the same level, then you can place your trade with confirmation. So if you get confirmation, then only place your trade. Otherwise, avoid it. You will win your trade mostly. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, like, share, and subscribe.